Well, I've got back with a plan of sorts. Stay tuned and I'll tell you how much I've lost this week or gained. The important thing is I'm back to trekking. And part of that is prepping your meals in advance. So this week I'm going to talk about a batch cook. Now those of us that use MyFitnessPal just enter stuff. But there's a really useful feature in there called recipes, where you bulk upload your ingredients, and it's really handy because you're not sitting there scribbling down. And what I often do is if I'm cooking something that's bigger than 3 or 4 portions and I'm likely to cook it again, I'll put it in here, but I'll put it in as a simple 1 portion. And then when I eat it, let's say I've got it into 4 portions. When I bring it up into MyFitnessPal, it'll come up with 1 portion, 1,000 calories. I'll say I'm just having 0.25, which is a quarter, which is 1 portion for me. So it's really handy to have in there. You only enter it into it once. And tonight, I'm going to keep it really simple, and I'm going to use a Simply Cook kit to make a Goan chicken curry. The kit was actually for a fish curry, but I had no fish. So let me take you through it. And here's what you start with. A selection of ingredients, the Simply Cook curry box, and instructions. I've added some mushrooms to this because I love mushrooms and they pad a meal out nicely. And I'm not going to insult your intelligence by showing you how to cook this, because all you're doing is following instructions. However, the lesson here is how you can use MyFitnessPal to help you with your batch cooking and tracking. And on this occasion, I haven't insulted your intelligence by taking you through the steps. It's a kit, you follow the instructions, you chuck it all together. So it shouldn't be too long before it's ready, and here's what it looks like. So the rice is just finishing off, and the curry worked out as 250 something calories. Add it to the rice at 198, kicks in at just under 450 calories. It's not a bad meal. So let's see what it looks like. Let's face it, it's hard to make a curry pretty, but I'm quite happy with that. Yep, I'm looking forward to it. I've just had a little taste off the spoon. It's not a mild one, but yeah, it's got plenty of coconut in it, plenty of flavour. That'll do me. Well, I hope I enjoy it, because I've got 3 more in the freezer. But as you can see from the screen that I'm going to put up now, you've just entered a handful of ingredients, it's come up with a total, you save it. The next time you go into MyFitnessPal, you put in SC Goan chicken curry, which is what I've called it, and you just take 1 portion of it. Boom. Really easy. But the important thing of a batch cook is I've now got 3 meals in the freezer for when I can't be bothered to cook properly. That's half a week's worth. Obviously, you don't want to eat Goan chicken curry every night. But if you do that each week, you've got 3 or 4 different meals in the freezer ready to go. How simple is that? We all know about batch cooking, we all know about tracking, so bring the 2 together. Simples! So, where am I going to go from here? Well, first of all, I'm going to tell you how much weight I lost. I actually gained £5. Boom, that is terrifying. But I think that's because I'm on the back of a holiday. There's loads of salt in that great food over there, and there's a bit of water retention. But I've been skipping the blinking visits to McDonald's, or as I said last week, if I do go there, that's my meal. And I think that's going to pay dividends for next week, but let's see how it goes. As I say, it's week 92 for me, so you know that I've had good weeks and bad weeks, and I've lost more than I've gained. That's a result. So next week, I might do something a bit more ambitious and actually take you through a recipe of mine and see how it goes. So let me know what you think. Have a go at the recipe function in MyFitnessPal, and we'll see you soon. Happy with that.